I'm Terry Bubble, reporting from OnTheAirTV.com news. Today I'm attempting to give you a simple explanation of cap and trade and also carbon credits. It's all a bit of a con really. I believe the governments are spinning lies in order to create this kind of business. At present it is estimated that trading in carbon credits is worth $2 trillion per year. I doubt very much that this is creating any significant reduction in CO2 emissions, which is really its aim. Basically what cap and trade is, large industries are set limits on the amount of CO2 that their factories are allowed to emit. The theory is, if the particular company stays under their CO2 limit, they have a carbon credit, which they can then sell on to another company who has gone over their limit. The profit they make from selling these carbon credits is then supposed to be put back into making their companies more energy efficient. In reality, greedy traders are buying and selling these credits for profit and making millions in the process. Some governments are also using carbon credits to bribe some companies to invest in their countries. This is another scam that is created under the pretext of global warming. Governments do not need to buy the credits either. All they have to do is set a high cap on a particular company, which in effect has paid that company millions of dollars. At present the carbon trading is in total disarray. They're trading under rules which they're making up as they go along. They're not traded in conventional stock markets as we know, but by government appointed carbon trading companies. One major problem lies when there is a recession like we have recently gone through. Industry cuts down, which in effect cuts their carbon emissions, so then there is a glut in carbon credits and the price goes through the floor and companies don't bother to invest in cutting their emissions as the credits are so cheap to buy. The aftermath of this is increased CO2 emissions. So as you see, this harebrained screen that we're having to put up with. It's all based on faulty and or fraudulent science that you... Anyway, thank you for listening. If you think you can make a better video than this, and I'm sure you can because I'm crap at it, and you want to make a news video, come along to OnTheAirTV.com. It's now a news site and you can make your own news videos. Up to the date news of your area, it's entirely up to you. Come along to OnTheAirTV.com. Make your video, make yourself heard, make the news as you want it. Okay, thank you for listening. Bye bye. Bye bye.